Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a DIY Diwali decor. So let's get started. So firstly we will cut the corners of this cardboard piece to make it look better. So here I have already written the letters roughly, and now I am applying hot glue gun over them to give them an emboss effect. You can see how. Also, while using hot glue gun, be careful or do it under adult supervision. Now we will remove the extra particles so that it will look clear. And after that we will start painting its background. I am applying the first coat. After that you have to apply a second coat. Here you can see how it will look like after second coat. Now we will start applying paint on our embossed characters. This is how they will look like. Now we will add some external decorations. So this is how our final piece will look like. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.